It's Henry the Roofer, and today we are fitting linear drive urge.
So we started off by removing all of the old cement away from the apex. Then we fitted a batting and secured it in with 100mm screws. Next comes the linear drive urge. Taking our time to make sure they are secured in properly, and also making sure that they are straight along the edge of the apex. And it's looking quite smart, if I do say so myself. And here's another little angle for you to take a look at. Then we move on to the second apex, giving you a time lapse here of us removing the mortar, and of course attaching that batten along the edge again. It's only a short video today, but I think the quality speaks for itself.
And you know how it goes. If you like what you see, drop us a like, and if you're not following yet, what are you doing with your life?